In this lesson, we will understand something called null values in a table. Let's see what are those null values. Select star from if you see the books table, there are some places where it is like question mark here. All these question marks are null values. Null values are nothing but unknown values to the DBMS. DBMS don't understand what are those values. So the null value is reserved by DBMS, and don't assume null value is not equal to a 0 of numeric type, or it's not equal to a empty string or space character for the string data types. So null is something else. It's called unknown value, or you can assume anything, but it's not a 0 or blank. Okay, if you observe here in book B04, we have a blank. This is something called blank, but this is not null. But the question marks what we see here, those are the null values. Let's understand more in detail. So now we ran the select star from books and we see 20 records, and we know we have 9 authors, if you remember from previous lessons. Let's put a where condition, where author between A01 and A09. These from A01 to A09 we have 9 authors in our books table. So if I run this statement, I got 18 records because I kept the condition on author and all the null values. There are 2 null values in author. Those are get rid from the result. Okay. So now this statement removed null values. But if I want to see the null values data, then you may assume null is the keyword. So author is equal to null. So if I run this command, if I run this statement, I get a 0 records, because when you are using null, the equal to operator, the comparison operator won't work. Here we need to use is, where author is null. Then I'll get 2 records with the null values. So when you are using null operator, when you are searching for null values, then you need to use is null. Okay, so is null, we got 2 records. If I don't want null and the rest of the records I want, then in that case it's simple, just add not null. So I removed null values from the author and I got 18 records. The 2 records are null values on the author. So not is another keyword which negates what you are trying to do. For example, where not author is equal to A01. If I run this, A01 is not there in the list. That is something like you need to use not. So not should come before the field value in all cases except null. So is not null is the most common key statement we use, and this I don't think anybody use where not author is equal to A01, because instead of not we can use not equal to. The same result, right? So I don't see anybody using not like that, but the common thing is where author is not null. So yeah, not is another keyword you need to remember, and null is a reserved keyword by DBMS.